Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Come here to show content on TikTok, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to show your content in TikTok search results. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.